Hello all, hope you are doing good. Today I'm coming with most interesting topic of all-time top 25 legendary actors in our Indian cinema. Prakash Raj is one of the rare and finest actor in Indian cinema who can do any kind of role so easily. Irfan Khan is one of the gifted actor to Indian cinema, a brilliant performer. Amir Khan is known for his versatility and known as Mr. Perfectionist. Sunny Deol is one of the most successful actor in Hindi cinema during 1980s to 90s. Ajay Devgan is one of the most intense and gifted actor in Indian cinema. Shah Rukh Khan, regarded as world's biggest star hero, is an inspiration to many youngsters. And Salman Khan is the biggest mass hero in Indian cinema. Mohanlal is one of the brilliant actor who can act just with his eyes, a brilliant performer. And Mammootty is another gifted actor to Malayalam industry. He got 3 national awards as a best actor. Chiranjeevi is the first hero in India to receive 1 crore as remuneration. Balakrishna, known for his biggest mass following in Telugu cinema. Nagarjuna, known for his trend-setting films like Shiva, Geetanjali, and he got 2 national awards. And Venkatesh is the most loved actor with 0 haters in the industry. Shobhan Babu is one of the finest actor in Telugu cinema. Krishna, regarded as superstar of Telugu cinema, he raised the standards of Telugu cinema with his films. Vishnuvardhan is a gifted actor to Kannada cinema and he is known as Angry Young Man in the industry. He has a cult fan base in Bengaluru. Rishi Kapoor is one of the finest actors in Hindi cinema. He got National Award in the year 1970. And Nana Patekar is one of the most versatile actor in Indian cinema and he got 3 national awards. Sanjeev Kumar is one of the gifted actor to Indian cinema. He got 2 national awards as a best actor. And Nasiruddin Shah, known for his versatility, and he got 3 national awards. Kamal Hassan is one of the greatest legend in Tamil and Indian cinema who can do any kind of role easily. Rajnikanth regarded as South India's superstar and Thalaiva. He has biggest craze all over the world and an inspiration to many people. Dharmendra is one of the gem in Indian cinema. He voted as most handsome man in the world in the mid 70s. Amitabh Bachchan regarded as greatest actor of the century in Indian cinema. Rajesh Khanna is known as first superstar of Indian cinema and one of the greatest actor in Hindi industry. Soumitra Chatterjee is one of the finest actor in Indian cinema. He received 3 national awards to his performance. Rajkumar is one of the finest actor in the history of Indian cinema and considered as cultural icon. Shivaji Ganeshan is one of the versatile actor and a pride of Tamil cinema. Senior NTR voted as greatest Indian actor of all time conducted by National Poll. ANR is one of the greatest and successful actors of Indian cinema. S.V. Rangarao regarded as one of the finest method actors in the history of cinema. Uttam Kumar is one of the brilliant actor and known as Mahanayak. He received 5 national awards. MGR known as Man of Masses, who has cult following in Tamil cinema. Dev Anand is one of the greatest and most successful actor in Indian cinema. Dilip Kumar is one of the finest actor and the first Khan in Bollywood, who has been credited with bringing realistic acting from his first film itself. He was considered as greatest actor in Hindi cinema. Raj Kapoor regarded as one of the greatest actor in Indian cinema. His performance in Avara ranked as one of the top 10 greatest performances of all time. His work got attention all over the world. So that's all. Please don't mind with the numbering of list and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.